In this video, I'll cover applying payments to multiple outstanding invoices. So when you go to a specific customer account and click on invoices, when you click the amount due column one time, it will show you credits or overpayments first, and then click on the amount due column header a second time, one more time, and it will sort everything that's outstanding highest to lowest at the top. So from here we'll do a few samples. When I click the drop down arrow to the right of the edit button and then mark pay, you'll see all of the outstanding invoices. So for now I'm going to use the overpayment or prepaid credits that are available on the account. And I'm matching it because I want to apply everything. So in order to make sure it applies to all open invoices, I mark or click distribute payment. And it will then send that data into these fields. Now I can modify this if I didn't want the 1,000 there. If I wanted 150 here, 150 here. As I enter in my information in each field, it will update the unapplied amount. So at this point I have 550. I can then put 550 towards that, and then the unapplied amount is 0. So once I am happy about this, I can then save and apply. My unapplied payments goes to 0. My current existing open invoices is 651642. So now I can make another payment, and this is a second method. Click Create Anew, and then select Payment. Choose the payment method. If it's a check, you're welcome to put the check number here. And then when I enter the amount of the check, we'll say the amount was $6,300, and then click Distribute Payment, it's going to apply all of that money as far down the list as it can. So if you recall, now I'll hit Save and Apply, my open invoices were over $6,500, so now with that new payment my account balance is $216.42. And the list will automatically display those invoices that are remaining, that are outstanding. Another way that you can add in payments is if you go directly to the Sales Invoices page. From here, by default, it does show all. You can date filter for the invoice date. You also can filter by the customer name, so I'll stick with this food plant and hit filter. And it's going to show me everything. So right now I really only want to see overdue invoices. So I'm using the status overdue. And from this page, as I scroll to the right, I'm going to mark pay. And when I do that, it automatically pays that amount. So I'm going to hit distribute payment. It applies it directly to the 165, and I hit save and apply. Now, I obviously have to check the payment method, pick today's date, and then the check number. So had the account been paid in full, I could have just added in, we'll say the account was, or the check amount was 210. I need a little more. Let's do 220. Perfect. And it leaves me with a balance of 358. Now I save and apply. So at this point now, the customer with the name food in the name, or the word food in the name, no longer has any overdue invoices. So I can clear my filters and then see everything. Another way, third way, is going to the payments page. So right from this page, I can review payments that have been made and then also make new payments. And I can choose customers plus add in new payment information.